Lesson 2. The 6 classes of essential nutrients. The nutrients in food will help your body function properly. But what are these nutrients and where do you get them? The nutrients you need. Your body can make some of the nutrients it needs. However, most of the nutrients your body needs come from food you eat. The nutrients you get from food are called essential nutrients. The 6 classes of essential nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Each of these nutrient classes play a special role in your body. Your body uses carbohydrates, fats, and proteins as a direct source of energy. Vitamins and minerals control many of the body functions. They also help your body use energy from the other nutrients. Your body uses water to control your body temperature. Water is also used to transport other nutrients throughout your body. The essential nutrients are necessary for your body to function properly, so eating a variety of foods that contain these nutrients is very important. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for your body. A carbohydrate consists of one sugar or multiple sugars chained together. Simple carbohydrates can be just one sugar or two sugars joined together. Simple carbohydrates are found in sweet foods such as table sugar, honey, and fruits. Complex carbohydrates consist of 3 or more sugars joined together. Starches are complex carbohydrates found in grains and vegetables. Your body breaks down starches into simple carbohydrates. Fiber is a complex carbohydrate that cannot be digested. Foods that are high in fiber are part of a healthy diet. Good sources of fiber include whole grain foods such as brown rice and whole wheat bread, and many fruits and vegetables. Fats. Believe it or not, it's important to have a small amount of fat in your diet. Fats are nutrients that store energy, cushion your body, and protect nerves. Fats also help your body produce hormones. Solid fats are found in foods such as butter and meat. Liquid fats are found in cooking oils and salad dressings. Fats make some foods taste and smell good. Fried foods and desserts taste good in part because they contain a large amount of fat. Fats contain more calories than any other nutrient does. If you eat too many foods that are high in fat, you may eat more calories than you need. The unused calories will be stored as fat in your body. Your body needs only a small amount of fat to function properly. When there is too much fat in your body, your risk of getting diabetes and heart disease is higher. Proteins. You can think of proteins as building blocks for your body. Proteins are nutrients that are used for building, maintaining, and repairing tissues and cells. Proteins help the body break down and use nutrients for energy. Proteins also help protect the body from germs that cause sickness. Meat, poultry, and fish are good sources of proteins. Milk and cheese are also good sources of protein. You can also get proteins from beans, nuts, tofu, eggs, whole grains, and vegetables. Vitamins. Although you only need a small amount of vitamins, they are very important to your health. Vitamins are organic compounds that control many body functions. Vitamins are found in fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and dairy products. Without vitamins, your body would not function properly. For example, a lack of vitamin C can cause scurvy, a disease that affects your gums. Without vitamin A, you may develop night blindness. If you don't get enough vitamins from the foods that you eat, you can also choose to take a daily vitamin, which I recommend you do regardless. Minerals are elements that are essential for good health. Minerals are found in fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and dairy products. Calcium, phosphorus, iron, sodium, potassium, and zinc are just a few minerals that your body needs. You need calcium and phosphorus to build strong bones. Sodium and potassium help regulate blood pressure. Iron is necessary for your blood to deliver oxygen to your cells. To avoid health problems, you should eat plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains every day. Water. Water is a very important nutrient. Your body does not get energy from water, but water is needed for most of your body functions. A person can live for several weeks without food. However, without water, the person will die within a few days. The reason is that your body uses water to transport food and nutrients. Water is used to fill the cells and spaces between the cells in your body. Your body uses water to fill spaces in your joints, and water in your spine is used to absorb shock. Your body uses water to keep your mouth and eyes moist. Your body also uses water to wash away waste products that your body produces. Water regulates your body temperature. When your body gets too hot, you sweat. As water evaporates, you feel cooler and your body temperature returns to normal. This keeps you from overheating. If you don't drink enough water each day, you may dehydrate or dry out. If you become dehydrated, your body will not function properly. As a result, you may faint. In extreme cases, you may die. You must drink plenty of water so that you don't dry out. Drinking water is the best way to replace lost water, but you can get water from other foods and drinks. Good sources of water are fruit juices, fruits, vegetables, soups, stews, and milk. A good rule of thumb is to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. If you're more active, you're going to need more than 10 glasses because you're sweating out more water. If you play sports, you should drink even more.